Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how we'll get the gross profit. As a commerce students, we should know how we'll get the gross profit, right? So without knowing the gross profit, we are not considered as a commerce students, right? Okay, so let's get started. The gross profit is we'll get from the net sales minus CGS. So this is the equation of the gross profit. Okay, so the net sales, first we need to find out the net sales. So the equation of the net sales is getting from the sales minus sales return. So this is the equation of the net sales. Normally this sales amount will get from the question, so you can directly write it here. After that you have to put a minus, then sales return amount also write it here. Okay, this also will give in the question, so don't worry about that. Okay, so finally we get the net sales. That amount you can directly write it here. So we found the net sales. Next we need to find out the CGS. So what is the CGS? What do you mean by the CGS? Actually this is a short form of the cost of goods sold. The short form of the cost of goods sold. So this also we need to find out. So cost of goods sold is we'll get from the opening stock plus net purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. So this is the equation of the CGS. Okay, so this question this equations will be keep in our mind, then only you will get it. Okay, so CGS is the opening stock plus net purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. So first we need to write the opening stock amount. This also will having the question, so you can write. Then after that net purchases we need to find out. So how will you get the net purchases? Net purchases also will get from the same process of the net sales. Okay, so just look the net sales is equal to sales minus sales return is the net sales amount. So same process we need to find out here. Okay, so net purchase is equal to purchases minus purchases return. So this also having in the question, so you can write same process. Okay, so we'll get the net purchases, that amount we can write. Next we need to find out the direct expenses. This also having in the question. So before that we have to know which are the direct expenses. So expenses will come in the questions like wage, cargo expense, cartage. These are the direct expenses. So it will be keep in your mind. Okay, then only we will get it. Okay, so direct expenses you can write it here. Then closing stock also will give in the question. So naturally we'll get the CGS. That CGS amount we can write it here. Finally we'll get the gross profit. So we studied how to get the gross profit. Okay.